Building information modeling. Companies in Dubai. One name that stands out is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With its expertise and experience in the field, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. has become a leading player in the BIM industry in Dubai and beyond. Dubai is known for its ambitious and innovative construction projects, and BIM has become an integral part of these developments. BIM companies in Dubai play a crucial role in ensuring the success of these projects by providing efficient and accurate modeling and coordination services. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. has established itself as a trusted partner for many construction companies in Dubai, thanks to its commitment to delivering high-quality BIM services. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. offers a wide range of services to its clients in Dubai. These include 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoffs, construction sequencing, and more. The company utilizes the latest software and technology to ensure that its clients receive the most accurate and detailed BIM models. This attention to detail is crucial in ensuring that construction projects are completed on time and within budget. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India